Today we're going to be going over some more advanced search functions for veterinarians. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and start off with dentistry. So I'm going to type in discolored teeth. And we want to see some links over to the Ignite Dentistry Hub. So it looks like Sarah was asking a question there. Jennifer had answered the question. And a little bit further down, we can actually see a video from Dr. Mathis about discolored teeth. So instead of actually going into the Dentistry Hub, you can simply use our search function to pull up what you might find in there. Next, I'm going to go into surgery. Let's go ahead with rhinoplasty, punch, biopsy. Okay, and immediately we're going to see a 1-minute video that is going to show the biopsy punch technique for rhinoplasty. Let's go ahead and go into neurology then. Why don't I type drop jaw? Alright, so immediately you're going to see our expert here, who's already posting about it, and let's go a little bit further down. It looks like we do have a video here. It's a 39-second video on drop jaw. They are presenting the case here and really just introducing all the symptoms and the recovery and the conditions and everything, just trying to explain it so you can get a good understanding of what it might look like. And let's go ahead and hop over into radiology next. Lateral view of pelvis. Might be looking for something a bit more specific. Oh, no, immediately found it. So radiology position, module 5, rear limbs, part 1. I believe there's a good like 15 parts to that. But there you go, immediately finding part 1 there. So this just goes to show how quickly you can use our search function to find whatever you need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's been helpful to you, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.